Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial today on how to make some really adorable little jewelry dishes that will be perfect to give as gifts, and exactly what I use and how quickly it comes together. Okay, so you see I have all my supplies here, so you will need some type of a little dish. Okay, these are Corelle, and they say winter frost white. They're 4.75 inches, and they're just little saucers. Okay, but they are perfect so that you can put your jewelry in them. So I wanted to show you what I use, and I bought these, I think, at Walmart, but I bought a big stack of them so I'd have them on hand. They make the perfect gifts for Mother's Day, just to give a little something to a girlfriend, maybe with a pair of earrings. Also, they make great bridesmaids gifts. So let me show you what you're going to need to do. So once you have your bowl, then you will need some to be able to clean this to make sure that your vinyl is going to stick perfectly. So I use a little bit of rubbing alcohol and then just a soft cloth, and you're going to clean this up. All right, so you're going to have that done. Then, of course, you're going to need some vinyl. So I'm using a gold permanent glossy Cricut premium vinyl. I'm also using a black one. And then I wanted to also, this is a beautiful pink adhesive foil by Cricut that I just love that color, and so I wanted to use it. It's more metallic looking and it's pink. It's so pretty. And then of course you're going to need some transfer tape, and I'm using Cricut transfer tape. So once you have your vinyl picked out what you want to use, then of course you want to be able to start picking out your design in Design Space. And what I recommend you do is take a ruler, and I'm just using a clear ruler here, and I flipped my bowl of my little saucer over, and I measured it from side to side, so from here, the edge to the side. So it's about 3 inches on the bottom here, the round part on the bottom. And so I made a circle in Design Space, and then I picked whatever images I wanted to use, and then I put them within that circle so then I could size them correctly. So that's how I did that part. And then of course you're going to cut your vinyl out after you've got it all sized, and you're going to need to weed your vinyl. And I just used my Cricut weeding tool, and I weeded the part that I did. The one I'm going to show you, I'm going to say Pretty Little Things. And then of course you'll need a little piece of transfer tape. And then I also made a little gold gemstone that was in Design Space that I found. When I'm weeding, I like to have a pair of scissors handy. This is the Cricut pair of scissors. They're little fine tip point scissors, so that as I'm weeding, if I need to, I can cut away, or I can trim my transfer tape down to the right size. Okay, so that's a tool that I usually have, my weeding tool and a ruler. And then you need some type of scraping device. So this is the Cricut scraper, and if you don't have one of these, I highly recommend you get one, but you can also sometimes use like an old credit card or a gift card or something. All right, so once you have cleaned your bowl, then it goes together really quickly at that point. So let me get this transfer tape separated here, and I'm just going to lay it here. These are such fun little gifts to give. All right, so here's transfer tape. I'm going to put this in the bottom of my bowl. Okay, I like to just kind of use my finger when I first start laying it down just to get it on, and then you can use your scraper tool and just make sure that it's down really well. This is a pretty little, it says Pretty Little Things. It was a image, phrase image that's in Design Space. And then I'm going to hold this. Because it's so fine, the little writing is so fine, I'm very carefully making sure that the edges stay on the bowl there. Now, once you get started, Then I'm just going to peel it off of it at an angle, just like that. And so then it says Pretty Little Things. And then I'm going to take the little gemstone that I made, and I used the gold metallic Cricut permanent vinyl for this. And I'm just going to add that right here. Again, I just want to scrape that down really well. There we go. Okay, so there is Pretty Little Things. This looks like a little expensive little dish that you could buy at a boutique, but look, you can make it so quickly yourself. So this is one that I did, and then I did another one using the gold vinyl, but then also I used the pink adhesive foil for the word gem. And then this one says the world's best mom, and I use the gold, but then I also use the pink adhesive foil for the little heart. So these go together fast. Think about all the cute little things that you could use to sayings that you could make this. You can put initials in the bottom of these too if you want. I just like to mix it up and add a little fun saying into mine. Come join me over in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or over on my Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill group. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.